In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the italic font issue in Google Chrome. This can be a peculiar and frustrating problem where all the text in your Chrome browser seems to spontaneously switch to an italic style, making it difficult to read and quite annoying. Thankfully, the solution is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To begin, we're going to focus on the root of this issue, which is often related to font conflicts or missing fonts on your computer. These conflicts can happen due to various updates, installations, or accidental deletions. First, make sure you have all essential system fonts installed. You might not realize it, but sometimes simply missing fonts can cause this problem. Check your system's font folder to ensure that all standard fonts, such as Arial, Times New Roman, and so on, are present and accounted for. If any fonts seem to be missing, you might need to restore them from backup or download them again from legitimate sources. Next, let's take a closer look at the extensions you have installed in Chrome. Extensions can be incredibly useful, but they can sometimes interfere with font rendering. Open Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right corner to access the menu, and select More Tools followed by Extensions. Here, you'll see a list of all the extensions currently active in your browser. Temporarily disable each extension one by one, checking Chrome's font configuration each time to see if the issue resolves. If you find the faulty extension, consider removing it or checking for any available updates. It's now time to check the browser's settings. Go to Settings and navigate down to the Appearance section. Here, you will find an option to customize fonts. Click on Customize Fonts, and in this menu, ensure that none of the fonts are set to italic by default. You can change it to something standard like sans serif or serif. Double-check the size settings as well to make sure they're not set too small to render incorrectly. If you've tried these steps and the problem persists, it might be time to reset Chrome's settings altogether. To do this, again, open the Settings menu and scroll down to Advanced. Near the bottom, you'll find the option to Reset Settings. Doing this will revert Chrome to its default state, but it will not delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, just configurations and extensions. After the reset is complete, check to see if the italic issue is now resolved. By following these steps, you should have a clearer grasp on resolving this troublesome italic font issue in Google Chrome. If the problem persists even after these steps, consider reinstalling the browser or consulting with Chrome support for further guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.